Welcome to my in-depth review of PenFed Credit Union's student loan refinancing service. If you're exploring options to refinance your student loans, especially through a credit union rather than a traditional bank or fintech lender, then you've likely come across PenFed. In this video, I'll walk you through my full user experience, including everything from the initial application process to interest rates, repayment terms, and customer service. Starting with the application process, PenFed requires you to become a member before you can refinance, which is a unique requirement compared to other lenders. The membership process is fairly simple, but it adds an extra step. Once you're a member, the refinance application is straightforward and fully online. You will need to provide details about your current loans, income, and credit history. I found the platform's interface easy to use, though not as modern as some of the big-name fintech services. When it comes to rates, PenFed offers both fixed and variable interest options. I was quoted a fairly competitive rate, but this will depend heavily on your credit profile and debt-to-income ratio. The maximum term is 15 years, and there's a $0 origination fee, which is definitely a plus. However, the rates aren't the lowest on the market, and if your credit isn't excellent, you may not qualify for the best offers. Customer service was a mixed bag. On the one hand, they were responsive and polite. On the other, it felt like I was being passed between departments too often to get a single question answered. That said, the representatives seemed genuinely interested in helping, which isn't always the case with large lenders. Many useful links you can find in the description. One issue that stood out to me is the requirement for a hard credit pull only after pre-qualification. While the soft pull is helpful for an estimate, the final rate is only confirmed after a hard inquiry, which could impact your credit score. Another limitation is that PenFed doesn't currently allow refinancing a Parent Plus loans into the student's name, which some other lenders do offer. Overall, PenFed Credit Union can be a good option for borrowers who prefer the stability and service of a credit union and who already meet the high credit and income standards. But if you're shopping purely for the lowest rate, you may want to explore other lenders first. PenFed is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and like any financial product, it's crucial to compare multiple offers before making a decision. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest financial reviews.